Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go count. Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go add. When all that counting is done, we'll be adding sums. How are you, math stars? Today is a great day to do math. Of course, I believe every day is a great day to do math. What are we going to learn today? I wonder, we've been learning so much. Like, is there even anything more to learn? Guess what? There's always something more to learn. And when it comes to math, there's always so much fun to learn. So let's get started. Today we begin module 11. We just finished module 10 where we were comparing within 10. So I know you guys did awesome with that. But now that we're really familiar with numbers up to 10, we're going to do something fun. We're going to do some addition and maybe some subtraction during module 11. But today I want to see if you're ready. So let's get started. We're actually not going to start with lesson, or we're not going to start with that part. We're going to start here. Module 11, add to and take from within 10. So that means when we're adding, none of our numbers are going to be bigger than 10. So I'm not going to say 10 plus 10, right? We're not going to do that. It's just going to be within 10. All right. So I want to look at this. Are you ready? So you can look at this. It's page 266 in your math book. That's a 266 right there. Okay. Ooh, raccoons. You know, raccoons are super cute animals. We read a book about Chester at the beginning of the year, but raccoons like to eat trash and they kind of make a mess. But let's go ahead and see what maybe these raccoons are good raccoons. Two raccoons are sitting. How many? Two are sitting. Two more raccoons join them. How many raccoons are there now? Now, if you remember from a couple of modules ago, we used, this is the word, and I know you know how to read it because it's one of our high frequency words, and. Good. And this is the word is. You know how S sometimes says S and Z? It says Z sometimes. It says Z here. So here we have and is. So how many raccoons did we say at the start? How many were there? How many were sitting? We said 2. So you want to write the number 2 there. And 2 more join them is. That means how many are there now? So you go ahead and write that answer. I'm not going to write it. I'm seeing if you're ready to go on. All right, go ahead and write it. Okay, that was adding to. Remember, addition means we have some and then we have some more. Okay, take from. Is that addition or subtraction? Right, it's subtraction because we have some and we're taking from it. Like the math wizard has 3 Hershey Kisses and she shares 2. I'm taking from my 3 to give to somebody else, right? Takeaway. Okay, takeaway, that's our subtraction word, right? So let's see what it says. There are 5 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 birds fly away. How many birds are in the nest now? So how many in subtractions problems, we always start with the biggest number, how many we have at the beginning. So how many were there at the beginning? How many birds were there? Right, 5. And then it says take away. How many flew away? 2. And is the same as the word equal. Remember, how many are there now? Okay, I write that number. I'm not going to write it. You write it. Okay. Good. Use equations within 5. Here we go. 2 deer. I love deer. 2 deer are playing. 3 more deer join them. Complete the equation to model the problem. Do you remember writing equations a couple modules ago? Yes. This looks like a T. What does that mean? It's called a plus sign and it means addition. We're going to add. Okay, so got to trace it. But how many deer were there at the start? 2 plus How many more came? 3. And then do you remember what these two lines mean? It means equal, right? 2 plus 3 equals, how many are there now? Okay, and write that answer. All right. So tell me, are you ready, Math Stars, for Module 11? If you are, let's go. If you need a little bit more work, then pause this and maybe try some more, okay? Here we go. Acting out addition problems within 10. Okay, so act out doesn't mean we're going to put on a play. I mean, I guess you could if you have time, and that's fun. It is absolutely. The Math Star loves acting. The Math Wizard loves acting. But what it means here is, can you use manipulatives to act it out, or draw to act it out, or to signify these equations? So let's look. Oh my goodness, this girl has a lot of backpacks. It's going to be hard for her to carry all these at school. I wonder what she's doing with all these backpacks. Maybe she has lots of brothers and sisters and she's helping load the car to go to school. Or maybe she is collecting backpacks for kids who don't have backpacks and she's going to give them away. She looks like she's a nice girl like that. Maybe that's what she's doing. Let's see. Look at the picture. How can you use addition to represent the backpacks in the picture? Addition, is that adding to or taking away? Right, we're adding. So we're going to have two groups here. Let's see. How many are in the truck? Okay, that's a good answer, 5. There are 5 in the truck. And it looks like maybe she's taking some away. No. Is she adding more? Adding, what sign would I use? How many more? 2, good. And then I'm going to put an equal sign. You don't have to make an equation. We're just using addition. For me, I like seeing it written out. Maybe you like to use your fingers. Well, she had 5 backpacks and I'm just going to add a couple more. Okay, how many more? 2. How many does she have all together now? Let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Awesome. All right, let's go on. All right, and here I'm going to go right here real quick. Our lesson 1, I forgot to say the I can statement. I can act out a group, joining another group, and add to find the total, which is what we did in that picture, right? We took the group, added another group, and found the answer. All right, let's look here. This is what your picture looks like on page 268, the top picture. I'm going to read it to you. 7 acorns are on the ground. Did you hear a number? 7 acorns are on the ground. 2 more acorns fall from the tree. How many acorns are on the ground now? Well, this looks like a very nice forest. And I know kindergartners love finding acorns here at school. We have a lot. How many did we say there were at the beginning? 7. 1, 2, 3. All right. Is that 7? What? Oh, I need one more. Silly Math Wizard. Ay. All right, now I have 7. Is that good? Okay, thanks. What number are you going to put right here? Can you write a number right there? What number would go first? I have 7 acorns. Okay. 2 more acorns fall from the tree. Plunk. Plunk. That's what sound they made when they fell from the tree. How many acorns are there now? So what are my 2 numbers that are going to go here? You're supposed to write an equation. Can you write an equation? Equation, like we did on the last page. What number would go here? Right, 7. And then what sign goes in this circle here? Is it takeaway? Minus? No, it's a plus sign. All right. And how many more fell from the tree? 2. Awesome sauce. And then what sign goes here? No? Oops. What sign? Oh, equal sign. Like that? Yeah. 7 plus 2 equals, how many do I have all together? I'm not going to say. You count them and write it. Write it there. Awesome. All right. Let's go to the next problem. And it looks like you have a nice little, is that a pond? It look, or a lake, maybe you're at the lake. I'll go into the lake. Let's see what we have to say here. 4 birds are on the shore. 4 birds are on the shore. Okay. What number would you put there? 4 birds are on the shore. 4 more birds come to join them. Oh, look, these are singing birds. Very nice. I like singing birds. Birds sing very beautiful songs, don't they? 4 more birds come to join them. What number? What sign are we taking away or adding to? How many birds are on the shore now? So let's look. How many birds were there to begin with? 4. And what sign am I putting in here? Plus or minus? Addition or subtraction? Add to, take away. Which one? You're a smart cookie. My goodness. Yes. 4 plus, how many more? 1. 4 more. Now, I am not going to tell you the answer. Oh, what sign goes there? Equal sign. I'm not going to tell you the answer. You write the answer. Tell me how many. How many? All together. I'm not going to write it. You have to write it. So if you're waiting for me to give you the answer, you're going to wait a long time. Forever. Okay. Make sure when you're done, you get your answers checked by your homeschooling parent. Okay. All right. You guys are doing great so far. Very proud of you. All right. Oh, big blank box. All right. Listen to my addition problem. You're going to act out and draw a quick picture to represent the problem. Now, in math, do we take the time to draw elaborate pictures? I suppose that's up to you and your family at home. But here in my class, we represent with shapes. Like we'll draw a circle or a square or a heart or a triangle or a rectangle or an oval. Yeah, any of those shapes are great. We don't draw actual butterflies or cats because you know what? We save that for art class. So right now that's up to you. But I'm just going to suggest you just draw shapes. So listen to the problem. Write the equation. That's what goes down here. Equation, remember, you need a sign, addition or subtraction, plus or minus, and you need the equal sign there. Don't forget that. There are 6 butterflies in the meadow. 4 more butterflies join them. How many butterflies are in the meadow now? Now, the first number I said was 6. So I'm going to use a shape to represent my butterflies. There were 6 butterflies. 1, 2, you know what shape that is? That's a diamond. 4, 5, 6 butterflies in the meadow. And 4 more came to join them. How many are there now? So you need to write how many were there to begin with. Am I adding or taking away? Because 4 more came. And then it equals, how many are there now? All right, you can pause this while you're doing that. All right. Uh-oh, just a second. Okay, here we go. Oh, camping. Do you like camping? Camping's so much fun. Okay. Act out and tell an addition word problem to match the picture. Write the equation to model the problem. All right. We have to come up with a word problem for this. You know what that means? That means we use words. I know, we're going to use numbers too. You use numbers in your word problem. This is the fun part of math because we get to get creative and think about it. First, we get to name this cute little girl. What do you want to name her? I'm going to say Zoe. Her name is Zoe. Okay. If you came up with a different name, that's fine. You can use a different name in your story. Zoe loves to go camping with her family. She's helping to unload the car with the sleeping bags. So first she put 4 sleeping bags in the tent. Woo. What number would go here? 4 sleeping bags in the tent. Then she went and found 2 more. How many sleeping bags are there total? All right, you can come up with your own word problem, but it needs to match the picture. What that means is I don't want your word problem shouldn't be Zoe goes camping and she took 3 sleeping bags and then 2 more, right? Because does that match the picture? It needs to be 4 and 2 more, right? Okay, so you can come up with whatever you want, right? Whatever problem you want. Or maybe maybe in your story, she's going home and she is taking 2 and then she's going to take 4 more, whatever. Addition. Okay. Pause this while you come up with your own story. Tell your homeschooling parent at home, your homeschool teacher, and then write the equation. Okay. All right. This isn't on your own. Listen to the addition problem. Act out and draw a quick picture to represent the problem. Quick picture, probably shapes. Write the equation and model the problem. That means down here, that's the equation. 3 ducks are in a lake. 7 ducks join them. How many ducks are in the lake now? 3 ducks are in a lake. And 7 ducks join them. How many ducks are in the lake now? So what you need to do is you need to represent it with shapes. How many were there at the beginning? And how many more join them? And then how many are there all together? Okay. Then I need you to show your homeschool teacher just to make sure you understood. All right. Now, what would be a math lesson without some toys? We're going to practice. You hear, based on what you're hearing, can you tell what kind of toy I have? Let's see. If you guessed cars, you're right. Woohoo! Matchbox cars. All right. Okay. So I have 4 cool cars. 4 cool cars. Yep. Okay. Okay, that's red, orange, green, purple. Need a blue, need a yellow. Okay, there we go. I've got 4 cars. And my friend came over and she brought 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. So I had 4. And then she brought 5 more. How many cars do we have to play with all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 cars. We can have a lot of fun with 9 cars. Woohoo. Can you write that equation? And how? Awesome. Now I challenge you at home. Maybe you have lots of some kind of toy to make up your own addition problems. Think you can do it? I know you can. Great job today, Math Stars.